These three may be the solution to a very long-term problem. Maybe. Now, if you've been following the channel for a while, you know that we have tried out several different Galaxy pigments. And for a multitude of reasons, none of them have really worked out. Some of the pigments fell short. Sometimes we use just way too much of the pigment. We didn't even have a high gloss back then, so clarity and gloss may have been holding these back. But Gabe and I have been working on 3 prototypes that may give us an incredible Galaxy pigment effect. Let me walk you through the variations. So, version 1 is kind of like a larger pigment size, going for a bigger sparkle. Version 2 is a size variation. We're going for a much smaller sparkle effect. And version 3 is kind of the wild card, where we're trying to add more color with some blue and purple hues on top of whatever kind of rainbow effect you need. So let's go over the criteria of what would make a successful Galaxy pigment. So first, it needs to be dark and deep, right?
Yep.
If it's not black in the background, it's not going to give that Galaxy effect. It needs to have some sparkle. It needs to have some color elements to it, right?
Yep.
Am I missing anything?
It kind of has to twinkle.
Has to twinkle. Fair enough. And one of these 3 will hopefully be the twinkle that we're looking for. So we're going to be spraying them. We're going to get them in a nice high gloss Luna paint. They're going to look incredible. Are they going to be the Galaxy pigment of our dreams?
I sure hope so.
Me too. Ready to go?
Yes.
Let's go. All right, guys, we're all done with the experiment. Now we've got 3 different variations, all approaching this Galaxy effect that's eluded us for so long in different ways. And all 3 of them utilize different combinations of flakes and pearls to try to get the job done. So take a good look at each one and leave a comment below and let me know which one is your favorite. Now these things can be a little bit tricky to film, so we're purposely going to be going in and out of focus to try to capture the effects, the colors, and that twinkle that Gabe was looking for as well. Now, if you want to play with any of our paints, our car kits, our wheel kits, we have both peelable and permanent. Head straight to DipYourCar.com. Gabe and I had a ton of fun in this video. I really hope you enjoyed watching it. I'll see you on the next one.